Hello and welcome. Now from this video we are going to start resource logging. In Docker both are equally important. You have to set up resource monitoring as well as resource logging. We are going to talk about everything related to the resource logging. So let's start. As always, we are going to start with introduction first. What is resource logging? Logging is important part of managing Docker environments because it lets you record and review what your container and service are doing. Let me make it very simple. I'm going to explain you this using very easy language. Okay. See, here I have one Linux system. Now, whenever you have any application running inside your Linux system or in Linux system you have any problem, you will get one message or error message over here on screen, on prompt or on base shell, right? And from this particular message, you will find out issue. Now here, if I am creating any container, let's say that here I am creating one Nginx demo container. Now, in normal circumstances, when we are creating container, we are always using -d switch. What is the meaning of this -d switch? That we are going to start our container in detach mode. What is the meaning of detach mode? Means the container will start in background. So let's create this container. Now here container has been created, but it is started in detach mode. You may have multiple containers running inside same Docker host. Now it is impossible for you to open prompt of all your Docker container and find out the error and then solve it, right? So right now our problem is we don't know what is actually happening inside container. If there is any error, the error will display on the prompt of the container, but we don't have direct access of the container because we have multiple container running inside same Docker host. So what we are doing in logging, we are actually collecting all these logs and we can see them on the centralized screen. We can also save this log into the particular file. So you have multiple containers are running inside your Docker host, but you have one unified screen from which you can find out error message or whatever logs generated on a prompt of your system into the centralized location. We can say that it is kind of syslog system. Okay. So if you have multiple machines and you want to collect logs of all the machines on a centralized system, we are using syslog. Same way here, we have container log. Now, we will talk about this practically, but this is like a most basic of a resource logging. Good logging help you to fix problem, keep track of activity and ensure everything is running smoothly. So whatever the message or a prompt that you are getting on screen of your container, you will get it on the main Docker collection log application. There are different tools for logging in Docker, ranging from basic log, viewing more advanced system that gather and analyze log from the multiple container. Definitely we will discuss about all these tools, and we have Docker advanced course, so we'll definitely talk about advanced tools as well. Now, which type of logs we want?
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.